Hello, everyone. My name is Smith Francois. I'm a junior. Both of my parents are from Haiti. So I'm the first generation in America. I'm from Chicago. I have two older siblings, a brother and sister, and a younger sister. And my title is I am. So I'm human. So of course I have a background. So my background is, as I said earlier, my parents are from Haiti. I've been there a few times while I was living. Every summer I would go. And my last time I've been there was January, February for a whole month in 2017. I spent my birthday out there. That was a great experience. I love it out there. I feel more free and comfortable in Haiti than I do here in America. It's hard to believe, but it is. When I go out there, I stay with my cousin, my uncle. He has a construction company out there, so he's pretty diverse. He's pretty wealthy. He has a mansion, so I stayed up there with him. We're on a mountain, and I love it. It's like out there is the coldest it gets is the temperature it is right now, and I'll sleep on the balcony. They're like, "Oh, it's cold. What you doing? You crazy?" Like, I sleep peacefully out on the balcony. We got the moon. As I said, both my parents are from Haiti. Being raised in Chicago, it's pretty hard because I speak Creole, and my sister doesn't, and she's younger than me. But I'm the only one between my siblings that actually speaks Creole, and I'd like to. About myself is I do have a bachelor's degree in accounting. So there was a fight to stay in school, but I'm very quiet. I'm more of a, I don't know, like an action person. I'm observing. That's why I am in elementary school. I don't want to be the bad parts about myself, but I used to fight all the time in elementary school because I didn't talk anything, but as soon as you touched me, I had a bad temperature. I said, so I was like, I fixed myself through high school, college. I didn't stop fighting. A lot about myself is electronic. I can do sound. So at church, when I go to church on Saturday, I do the sound system. No matter where I go, I can easily look at the system and fix it. While I was in college, that's what I did. I was school university sound system, and I did part-time at another church. So I'm always working too. I always have more than one job, so it's just natural about me. I do photography. I have GoPro. I'm filming this, and me and my cousin have a little business we started. Take photography pictures, and I have a YouTube channel I'm working on. That's why I'm here. I'm trying to improve myself to get younger people or people of my nature, not my nature, but people that's bilingual, to feel free that they don't have no limits. It's like they're free to do whatever they want, and there's no fear in it. I'm here too, from Chicago in December. I moved from Chicago in December. So I'm now here in Ohio, working downtown. I'm here to improve myself. I am human and I'm capable of improvements.
All right.
What is your favorite part of nature? Favorite part of nature is the oxygen that it gives. Fresh air. Thing about like nature is when I think about it is without it you can't function, from the sun to the soil. Without the sun, the grass cannot fertilize, and it takes time to everything is falls together. So without one another, it'll be impossible. We need rain. May not like it all the time, but right enough portion, it'll provide great support to the trees, to the bird that's right there. My favorite part of nature is oxygen. Is that part of nature?
Yes.
Very important part.
Because I love to be outside. If I can, I'll stay outside as much as possible. Because when you're indoors, you can adopt sickness without being sunlight. Because of course, nature is important. Without it, your body becomes weak. Even though I go to the indoor gym, I see you going outside, but it's too early in the morning to be going outside. I prefer staying inside, safe climate. Without nature, you wouldn't be here. Nature is very important to us, each one of us. Thank you, nature.
You get the picture.
Just